Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to find your account number in Rowe Price. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Rowe, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to search on Google for Rowe Price customer service, and after you search that, as you can see, the first website will appear help contact Rowe Price, and also their main contact number will appear, and you can you can call them by this number using your phone, and you will be approached with a customer service agent. And yeah, that's it. So if you want to learn more about the contact information on Rowe Price, you can just click the website in order to find more contact information. And as you can see right here, there's a bunch of phone and email contact information that you can choose. So there will be a new to Tiro price contact information if you're new, and if you want to address something, or if you want to address your problem, you can just click this button right here, and you will be presented by contact number that you can contact using your phone. And also, if you want to approached by a technical support agent, you can click this one and contact this main number right here, and you will be approached by a customer or technical support team, and you can just address your issue right there. So if you want to find your account number, please make sure that you're using the technical support customer number. And yeah, that's it. So if you want, you can also go to emails and your other contact informations, so that they can address your other problems too. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find your account number in Tiro Price. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.